Metabolic Disorders
Yo,
Prevention.
good people, it's your homie Herb, man, busting you back upside the head with another hot banger boogie. Go tell somebody your homie Herb, man, is on. All right, so we're basically talking about metabolism today, all right? Metabolism can really be the root cause of a lot of our issues that we're really not being able to be diagnosed, all right? Especially if you're talking about lethargy, if you're talking about fatigue, if you're talking about weight, ups and downs, if you're talking about obesity, if you're talking about tired all the time, cold hands and feet, chronic inflammation. A lot of this stuff can really be due to your metabolism being off, right? So you just got to know that the glucose in our bodies is really the culprit for a lot of different things, which leads to then the pancreas. Because you got to have the pancreas operating at a high level in order to keep the sugar in your blood low. So what happens a lot of times is either you got high sugar, meaning that your pancreas don't work at all, or you got high insulin, meaning that you're overworking the pancreas. Now, when these high glucose levels are in our bodies a lot of the time, not only will it wear out the pancreas, but eventually it'll start wearing out the liver, which stores this glucose, right? And then it'll start wearing out the kidney, which is trying to filter it out, okay? And so then when those two things get attacked, that's when you start having issues with the heart and with the brain. So it's just a tumbling block of different things that go on when we're really not handling our metabolism. Now, there are herbs out there that are very, very instrumental in helping us balance the balancing act, which we call metabolism. And those herbs are called the adaptogenic herbs. Herbs like ashwagandha, Siberian ginseng, aka eleuthero, reishi mushroom, cordyceps mushrooms, different herbs like schizandra berries, goji berries, holy basil, rhodiola. I mean, there's a lot of different herbs out there, all of the Noto ginsengs, the American ginsengs. All of these things are really beneficial in helping the endocrine system function properly, which keeps our blood sugar levels down, which keeps blood pressures down, and all these things start to work in a more harmonious way. And this is the way that we can really start to combat the changes that are taking place within our bodies. Because look, simply your body is going to change the food into what it needs. It's going to change the air into what it needs. It's going to change the sunlight into these things that the body needs in order to keep the cells working and energized in order to keep you alive. But for the most part, all of these amino acids and carbohydrates and fats really all come into the body as sugars, okay? And so that means that you're going to have high blood sugar levels.